me if I'm wrong, Cite real estate.
Cite is false.
You may start whenever you are.
Happy New Year. It's officially 2017. It has been 50 years since Czechoslovakia turned this empty space into a not very thriving city. As you see, it is very polluted and there are many brownfields. I wish I could time travel to see how the city looks in the future.
Welcome to Cite Espace.
It is located in the Kuduburu region on the Malaysian peninsula with a population of 1.7 million.
What year is it?
2121.
What? So I actually time traveled?
Well, isn't that what you wished for?
That is what I wished for, but I didn't know it actually happened. Anyway, my name is City. What is your guys' name?
My name is Kirtan and I am the mayor of Cite Espace.
I'm Shenmuk, the greenhouse engineer of the city.
Nice to meet you guys. Wow, the city is so nice.
Thank you. Well, do you have any questions about our city?
I do. Your city is so clean, and I don't see any brownfields. In the past, we struggled with factories polluting the ground, resulting in abandoned buildings. What did you do to save the soil from erosion and decay?
It's true, that was a big problem. We had so much empty space that we couldn't use because it was polluted. So we remediated this area with our special organic phytoremediation device.
Yes, organic phytoremediation is the process of cleaning toxins using plants. Specific plants such as Indian mustard or sunflower absorb a lot of debris. The phytoremediation process can be used to repurpose brownfields.
Fascinating. Another problem we had with our city was it was so big, it was hard to acquire fresh produce. Farms were so far away that farmers had to use harmful pesticides to preserve the fruits and veggies. What did you do to stop that?
It's because of our greenhouse rooftop gardens.
It is basically a greenhouse with a garden inside. The garden is placed in an insulated environment so that the crops don't completely die or dry out.
I would
The
love having...
benefits of the greenhouse garden include it offers fresh produce directly to people's homes, and it decreases the chances of flooding because it absorbs runoff from the roofs.
I would love having the system back in 2017. Tell me about your other services, like safety.
To prevent problems in homes, buildings, and other areas, we have powerful 360-degree cameras with facial action coding systems.
Also, for optimal safety, we have a police station, a hospital, and a fire station near the residential zone so that people can access these important buildings quickly and safely. And we also have mangrove trees in front of our ocean, preventing tsunamis and floods coming into our city.
We have all these features so that people feel very safe in our city.
Oh, I see. But what about your transportation? How do kids go to school?
Kids get to school by riding our TEDs, also known as the Transit Elevated Bus.
The transit elevated bus is a bus with a hollowed out bottom so that cars can pass through while the bus is at a stop or slowly moving.
This redevelopment of roadways should decrease traffic, meaning less accidents, right?
Yeah,
This transportation system is so convenient. How are the buses powered, though?
With lunaring technology.
lunaring technology is a new way of harvesting solar energy. To capture the energy, laser transmitting facilities are placed around the moon like a ring, converting light energy into laser energy. It not only powers the bus, but the whole city.
So you guys get your energy from the moon? That is amazing. But you never told me about your parks. Are they normal parks or are they something interesting?
They're definitely not normal parks. What's cool about them is that they have temporary structures that can be erected.
So your parks can change into different things like stages and wedding receptions? Halls? Thank you. So cool. What engineers masterminded your future city?
We had many engineers that were used in the process of this future city. One of our main engineers are our greenhouse engineers like Shemek because they're important in creating efficient public spaces.
Landscaping engineers were also very functional in our city. Landscaping engineers plan the dimensions of the project. They integrate parks next to buildings perfectly.
What are the long-term benefits your city presents?
Long-term benefits include clean energy, accessible gardens, and pollution-barrier residential zones.
Your city seems pretty complete, but you must have some trade-offs that you must have.
Trade-offs included having to work around the industrial zones that caused so much pollution.
And we didn't have that much room for parks because the space for parks had to be used for other buildings, which is why we have our multi-use parks.
We had to use the engineering design process of identifying the problem, researching, brainstorming, and designing to get around these problems.
And then test, build, and share with others.
Thanks, guys. I think it's time for me to go back to 2017.
Come back and visit us. All you have to do is press the button on your watch.
Bye,
Bye,
Steve.
Steve.
Bye, guys.
My name is Kirpna.
I'm Shanmugh.
And I'm Cite.
We'd like to thank you for letting us present our city model, Cite de Espace. It is truly an honor.
I'd
Thank you.
like to open up the floor to any questions.